gonna explain that. Hand me your helmet.
Huh?
Hand me your helmet.
I don't have anything.
Okay.
What?
I know, but she has to do that.
There's way more motorcycle people that were driving way worse right now.
On July 7, 2025, officers spotted a motorcyclist speeding through city streets and weaving aggressively through traffic. As additional units joined the response, police reported the rider was changing lanes recklessly and nearly colliding with other vehicles. Bodycam footage captures the encounter after the motorcycle finally comes to a stop, revealing why the 21-year-old says she was taking such a dangerous ride.
Why are we driving that fast?
Oh, I'm sorry.
That, absolutely not. You got your driver's license on you?
I don't have my backpack on me. I have a picture.
Alright.
Literally, look at me, bro.
Like, why? Like, why are we going that fast?
I'm sorry. I was just taking videos and I just got caught.
That's very dangerous.
I know, I'm sorry.
You know I can arrest you right now, if I wanted to.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Seriously, I'm sorry. I literally got this bike like 2 months ago.
Alright.
Not even 2 months ago.
Like, I get it. It's a bike. It's exciting. But, like, you're out here and I'm watching you do these lane split changes and they're dangerous. You can hurt, you can kill yourself, and you can kill other people.
I understand. I'm really sorry. I'm new to this, so, you know, the adrenaline stuff, I
got you, but that's no excuse for how you were driving.
I know, I'm sorry.
What's your first name?
Huh?
What's your first name?
It's Cheryl. Sherryl.
Turn that off. Give me the key.
It's off.
Okay. Give me the key.
Just give him the key.
Yep.
It's a 400. It won't go anywhere.
Do you have a middle name?
Huh?
Last name?
Gil.
G-I-L, common spelling?
Gil, 1L.
G-I-L, 1L. Date of birth?
December 3rd.
December 3rd, 2003?
Mm-hmm.
And what state is your driver's license out of? Florida?
It's from Puerto Rico.
Okay.
Yeah, I barely moved here, too.
Okay. All right. Just hang tight with this officer for me.
Have you ever had a Florida one?
You ever had a Florida
Have you ever had a Florida ID?
ID?
No, I just moved here.
Okay.
Okay.
How old are you?
What was that, Sarge?
It should be registered here first.
Should it?
Yeah. Gotcha. She doesn't even have any driver's license. She doesn't have a motorcycle endorsement.
Okay. Tell me more about what did you see her doing for a violation?
So, I was going in the southbound and the 2700 block or northbound, and she was coming southbound, and I clocked her at 50.
Okay.
And I turned around. As soon as I turned around, she booked it.
Okay.
I was trying to catch up to her. She's over here doing dangerous lane splittings.
Did you have your lights and sirens on?
I did.
Did she see that?
No, there was no way she could have saw that.
Okay, that's why I'm asking you.
Yeah, it wasn't 12F. It was just reckless driving. Depending on whether or not, obviously, you shouldn't have a motorcycle endorsement, reckless driving, 2 criminal violations right there. I'm not sure
Okay.
if I want to just give her tickets
Let's
or 10, 15.
check for involvements when you can.
Okay.
Be like, hey, can you show me involvements for the past year for this tag?
Okay.
I'm curious to see if anything else is on there.
Gotcha.
You could do this too to see if for any reason she's got no mugshot or anything. Probably not. I would assume if that was the case, she would have took off.
For Delta 11, there are no recent involvements
Okay.
with that tag.
Hand me your helmet.
You take off your helmet?
What's gonna happen?
Well, he's going to explain that. Hand me your helmet.
Put your hand on your back for me.
Hand me your helmet.
Wait.
She's going to do that first.
You're going to do that first.
Yep.
Yeah.
We're gonna arrest her?
Yep.
Give me your helmet.
Give her your helmet first.
Yep.
For what?
He's going to explain that to you. Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Or Delta 10 sample. Delta Union 1015.
What? Dude, I recently moved here.
He'll explain it.
Yeah, he'll explain it to
I
you.
haven't even become a Florida
You want to do toe slip for him?
citizen
Yep.
I'll tell them to come down here.
So, the reason you're being arrested, okay, is for reckless driving. All right, and then you also are.
One of her seconds negative on
Can I take my ski mask off as well?
Yeah, I'll take it off for you. Just give me a second. He'll help you with it.
Wait, why? Could I have gotten a ticket? Like,
We're not
why
going to give
am
you a
I-
ticket.
So
what's
we're
the
not going to
need
give you a
for
ticket
arresting
based on
me?
the circumstances and what I observed. Your driving behavior, okay, it's reckless. So I have an option because it's a criminal infraction.
Couldn't I have like a decent warning? Like I haven't even got the bike for more than a month, and I'm being arrested. Like I don't even know the Florida laws.
That's not an excuse.
That's not an excuse for your behaviors.
You have error record
I
route.
wasn't even
It's going to
going
reference the
over.
red
Like I wasn't
motorcycle
even in
here.
5th gear,
So,
sir.
driver's 1015. I told you, based on what that officer had observed, that's going to constitute reckless driving. So we got two things going on here that are criminal. That there's too much wrong with that. When you go somewhere, you have to obey their laws. Just like if I go to Puerto Rico or another country, I can't go, I don't know them, and then break a bunch of them.
Yeah,
Right?
Well, I mean, I don't know. I didn't know.
That's not an excuse.
Yeah.
What?
It's not an excuse. It's your job to know
I wasn't.
the laws and the rules of the road.
So
when you are operating a motor vehicle,
Uh-huh.
and because of your behavior, these are the consequences. Okay?
So I was lane splitting.
That's incredibly
You guys
dangerous.
saw me- You guys saw me for like once, and I lane split in front of my friend.
Okay.
4
And
Delta 10 cents.
I went in front
Still a
of my
female
friend. That was
officer.
it when you
They
guys
were
saw me and
searched.
went to a
They got one in Route 4.
Oh.
Delta 45 is headed your way.
10-4, thank you.
What?
There's a female that, do you want me to take this off of you?
What were you gonna say?
There's a female coming to do a search of you before we put you in the back of the
I
car.
don't have anything.
Okay.
What?
I know, but she has to do
Okay.
that.
I don't have anything. Look at me. I don't even
I got
have.
you.
Well,
Come
okay,
on,
we got
man.
you. Well, we're gonna do our job, okay?
Yep.
So, do you want him to take the ski mask off for you? You want me to?
This is so excessive, man.
Okay, we'll let her talk to you then.
This is so. Oh my god.
Put her back in the car in the meantime.
Keep her right here just till female
Okay.
comes
I
out
feel
here and
like
stuff like
there's way more motorcycle people that were driving way worse right now, and I'm being put on this right now.
Okay.
that. Well, I'm telling
Did
you,
you guys not see the
that's
1K
unfortunate
before
that you
me?
don't think that that's dangerous what you're doing,
I
because it
went in
is.
front of my friend. Like,
You did more than that. You're not gonna downplay it like you weren't almost about to cause a fatal accident. Okay?
what? What's up? Sir.
You're definitely not a candidate for anything but a physical arrest, in my opinion. That the fact that you don't think anything you did serious is concerning to me.
No, I do, but I feel like this is so excessive because
Well,
I genuinely.
Maybe you won't
Your
continue
driving
this
behavior
behavior.
was
That's
excessive.
excessive.
Alright, I'm
But
sorry.
that's okay. The bike's going to go to Arrow Towing, so when you get out, you can pick it up.
It's gonna be a tow yard. I can get to the address.
We'll write you all the information, okay?
Guys, I seriously don't know anything.
We'll explain it to you.
man, and
We'll
you guys
explain it.
are-
We'll explain it to you how the process
I work
goes. Okay.
tomorrow morning too.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you.
I work at 6 a.m.
Do you have a
what
phone?
Is gonna happen? I do.
Do you want it to go with you?
Obviously, like, am I gonna leave it with you?
Well, no. I have to ask that to
I don't
everybody.
even have my, like, the Florida numbers here memorized of my family or anything. Like, I'm
Okay.
genuinely from Puerto
I'll
Rico.
put your phone over here so that we take it with us, okay?
I have my friend on the phone. Can you put me on speaker? Tell
No.
her what's going on?
No. You're gonna get to call. You're gonna get to call her. Once you get out there, you're gonna get to call her, okay?
From my phone?
Well,
'Cause I
they'll
don't know
let
her
you.
number.
They will let you see the phone to get the number. They're gonna let you use their phone. Anything else you want from your bike?
My lips? I don't know. Like, what?
Yeah, they can go with
Yeah,
you
we
if you
can go
want.
with
Yeah, the helmet can't because they won't let us take you that, but everything else probably can.
Where am I gonna go?
With the bike, the jail's not gonna take that.
What? Why is it going to a toy yard?
I can.
Can't I have someone pick it up?
Who can come pick it up?
Can they be here in 15 minutes?
Let me call. Can I call them? They
Where are
live
they
right
at?
there. They live right there.
Where?
Near Baskin Robbins.
We don't have a Baskin Robbins. It must be on Daytona Beach.
This is Daytona Beach.
No,
It's
you're in the
Daytona Beach
shores.
shores.
Yeah, you're just south of there.
Man, see, I don't know anything from here.
I know that.
All right, they can pick it up right now. Can you guys
She doesn't have
let
a
me
license.
call real quick and not waste the time
No
that
license.
I have?
No, nothing.
Yeah, I don't have my backpack. Man. Like, if I had my backpack, I would have given you.
Well, you don't have a driver's license either to be operating this motor vehicle. So
Can I call the person instead of wasting time so they can pick it up?
Where are they at?
yep.
I just told you Daytona. Why does it matter? They can come here in like 10 minutes.
They'll be gone by 10 minutes. The tow truck
You
company
just
will
told
be
me
there.
if they can pick it up in 15 minutes, they can.
Well, the tow
That
truck's already
wrecker's
on the
going to
way.
be here before then.
Dude, you guys are not letting me do anything. Like, what?
Well, you're under arrest. You're not free to
They
do
can
whatever you
pick
want.
it up though.
Okay, I'm not going to let you use your phone. You could come pick this up from the tow yard. If they were here right now, I'd give it to them. I'm not going to
How are
stay
they
here
gonna
until
be here
somebody
right
shows
now?
up.
How are they gonna be here right now?
I don't know.
Do I just use my head and
You're
be like,
telling
"Yo,
me
come
they're
here."
by a Baskin Robbins, and I can tell you we don't have a Baskin Robbins. That's a different city.
The Baskin Robbins is over there. They can get here like literally anytime.
I don't think they're going to make it here in 10 minutes.
They have friends that live over here. That
Where do they
also-
live?
Man. You guys are.
You're going to have to get the bike anyway out of the tow yard.
Yeah, I have to pay though.
Well, yeah.
And then.
Do any of them
Am
have?
I rich? Do I look rich to you?
I don't know.
Consequences of your
Yeah,
actions
I don't know
this
that.
evening.
You guys, I know. Like, I don't
But you
need
can't.
anyone
You can't
shit
do.
on me.
Yeah, you can't. Do you want me to take that off of you? I can have the female take it off when she gets here.
Why you gotta be so rude? I'm sorry.
We're not being rude.
No.
We're trying to help you out.
You guys have an attitude, and I'm literally like, I haven't done anything wrong to you guys. I'm being cooperative. Like, I don't know what the hell is wrong with you guys. Can I please have someone pick it up?
If
Like-
somebody was here, I would do that, but I'm not going to
You
stay
just
there
told
till
me I
somebody
could-
shows up.
You just told me if they could cut them in 15 minutes. You just wasted like 10 minutes right now.
Okay, I'm not going to talk to you anymore. No, the bike's getting towed.
Bruh.
So we're clear.
How much is it to get it towed?
That depends how long you leave it in there. The longer it stays in there, the more. I'm going to take a guess because I don't know. I would say about 80 to 100 bucks. But if you leave it in there for a week, it's going to get expensive.
And how do they know it's my bike?
Well, are you the registered owner?
Yeah, but like,
Then they're going to give it to you, but you're going to have to bring some kind of identification. Just like when you drive, you have to have
do
identification.
they check the VIN thing?
The VIN?
Do they write the VIN thing?
They will, and they're going to run it off the tag too. We'll double check the VIN to make sure it's the right bike.
Do you have any identification? Because
What?
you don't have a driver's license. You said you don't have an ID.
I do. I just told you.
Okay.
I do have an identification, not on me.
Okay.
Like, I don't
Okay.
have a backpack. Look at me. I don't
I'm
have
just saying
anything.
that's what you're going to need to bring in order to show
Yeah,
proof that you're
okay.
Yeah.
a registered owner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some kind of picture ID.
I do.
Okay.
I'm fine.
I don't want you to go all the way up there and then you can't get it.
I don't even know where it is.
He'll write it down for you. It's right across the bridge. It's about 20 minutes from here.
So what's gonna happen after this?
After this, he's going to take you back to the station. He'll take those off you. He has to do some paperwork. Won't take him long. He'll take you out to where Volusia County Jail is. Then you can use your phone and work on getting yourself out. You can either bond yourself out, you can call somebody to get you out, or you call a bail bondsman. But you'll be able to get out tonight.
What's the new Florida law that you guys were talking about?
What new law?
Oh, the speeders law. I think that Seth was talking about earlier.
That's like for a speeding infraction. We're not really using that. We're concerned about the reckless driving and not having the motorcycle
Yeah,
endorsement.
you guys told me that.
I didn't. I can't.
We didn't.
You
Yeah.
did.
I didn't.
Someone did.
I don't know who someone did. It wasn't me.
One of you guys. Said,
Okay.
Oh, you don't know about the new law? I don't know. So what's that one? What happens with that one?
With what one?
Well, the new law that you guys are saying.
Mandatory court dates
Yeah.
for certain speeds. Okay. It has nothing to do with what you're getting charged with.
What am I getting charged with?
Reckless driving and operating a motorcycle with no endorsement. The two criminal infractions.
How much is that?
Well, it's not a fine. You got to go to court for it. Okay, when you get out, and that's up to a judge what they want to do. What I would do when you get done here, get a motorcycle endorsement. You know, show them that stuff. Explain to them what happened. I would not tell the judge what you told me that it was safe what you're doing. He will
I
not.
didn't say that.
Okay, you're saying.
I did not say
all right.
it was safe,
That,
sir.
okay, well that's how I'm interpreting
I'm
it.
sorry, no, I
Okay.
did not say that. Obviously
Make
not.
sure you don't tell that to a judge because he
Uh-huh.
won't like that. Just explain to him, you know, truthfully what happened, and then it's up to him to whatever he wants to do. Okay? I'm just waiting on a female to come search you, then we're gonna get you over there at some air conditioning.
I'm fine. It's the
Oh,
bugs
there.
that are everywhere.
They're bothering me too.
I know. I can see them.
It's in my ear.
Yeah, she was in my radar, but she's cool.
Oh, smiling.
I know her.
Okay.
I went She was in my class.
Oh.
Well.
Hello.
I don't have anything on me, so I don't know. Nothing on me. Nope, look at me.
She still got to search it.
Make sure you do an inventory of that bike. That there isn't like a fake ID or something somewhere in there or something.
Yeah.
I could see that. As says she didn't want anywhere near that. Once she's gone for inventory. And just do me another favor, run the VIN too.
Okay.
It seems like it's the right bike and stuff. But somehow this is somebody that doesn't understand any of this stuff but knows an awful lot about why can't I get.
My bike is a 400. I wouldn't have gotten it.
Wouldn't surprise me.
If you were guys, you were crazy. Like, it doesn't even go past me. I would have gotten it. Even he said it. He had a 400, right?
I have a DRZ 400 in my house.
You know, I wouldn't have gone anywhere.
At least you didn't drive.
Drive for a little bit.
And I'll leave this here for you. What's up?
Why?
Necklace? Yeah, you can take them off.
Why?
Well, they're going to take it off when you get there.
The back?
Yeah, of course you do. It's going with you.
I'm sorry, I don't know anything.
Oh, yeah, just hold real still. She's going to take that off.
You said she wants the helmet sitting with the light.
Well, they won't take that, will they?
I don't think so.
Yeah, so
I
that
mean, if they'll take it.
if they won't, we'll put it in inventory. I can tell you the jail will not.
Yeah,
So.
no, Jill.
Are you sure the helmet?
Oh, we're sure.
Yeah, they will not take that. Good inventory of that too.
Yeah. I didn't check her shoes.
I think we
take
could.
them off at the station.
Yep,
if
we
you
could
guys
check them
want.
off there. Yeah, that'd be
Come
fine.
this way.
I don't know what
Thank
else
you.
to be hiding in here, but. You guys have my phone?
Yep, phone's going with you.
The 21-year-old rider was cited for multiple traffic violations following the stop. According to police, she later explained that she had only owned the motorcycle for a short time and claimed she had been riding aggressively to record videos. What began as a reckless ride through city streets ultimately ended with a police investigation and enforcement action.